Hi, my Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're just a subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you all can tell from the title today, we are in with another makeup look, and we're going back into some color, right? So, I know typically it's called fall, but us in Trinidad, we don't really celebrate fall, but that doesn't mean that we can do it, right? So, I will be showing you all how I got this, I don't know, sunset something. Right? But if this is interested in that video to see how this I got this look and you would like that you for yourself, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow your channel Aesthetic on both Instagram and on TikTok, because now that we get back into the colors, we will be posting. Yes, we will be posting on Instagram and TikTok. I promise this time I have content to post. Right, so as long as I keep creating, I will have content to post. So without further ado, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again, and turn on that notification bell, guys, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, so let's start off with this look. So the first thing we're going to do is our eyes. So I'm just showing you guys, when it is you holding your brushes, a little tip, when it is you want to remove a product from the eye, like you're trying to dust it away, you hold it closer to the top of the brush. When it is you're just trying to blend it and you want to keep that product there, you hold it further away, so you're holding more to the tail end. So that's what I was showing you out there. So I just put in some primer on my eyes and the concealer and blending it all together. So guys, this first color is actually red. I know on camera it is looking orange, but if it is you want to use orange, you can do the same technique. It doesn't really matter, but believe you me, this color is red. So we are packing this color into the cut crease, well, into the crease I should say, right? And we want it to stay there, so we're stamping it in and we're filling that crease up. Next, I'm going in with this orange. This is actually orange, and I'm blending that red with the orange color. You always see I will go into other palettes later on to get that orange color, because I actually want it to, fade out properly, right, as you see here, and try to soften up that edge. All right guys, and next you will see I go in with some purple, and that's how I get the depth on the outer part of my eyes. And this depth will now go into the crease, as you can see here, right? Like if I'm cutting my crease with the darker color, that purple, and then you will see that I will cut my crease and I will do all the blending. So remember, it's all about the blend. So I'm using this white primer here to cut my crease. It will help to show off the color better, right? And I'm still learning how to cut my crease properly, but do what you need to do to get that as sharp as possible. And I feather it out so I don't have any line of demarcation. Next, I'm going in with that purple and carry it in, right, to help with the gradients of the colors. And next, I'm going in with red again. Right, I hope that my explanation is going corresponding with what you are seeing, because I know the colors look totally off on this camera. Guys, bear with me, right? And next I'm going in with some yellow, so I kind of thinking it's a kind of sunset something. I don't know, guys, it's giving fall like, but it's also giving summer like, because it's bright, right? But yeah, this is what I did, and I just put that yellow and red, just try to blend all the colors into each other. Yeah guys, and then you will see that I'll go in with some shimmer over the kind of red purple area there. That is totally optional if you don't want to. So this is something I like to do. I like to go in with some translucent powder on my brow bone to help me blend the colors that are there, and also to set that concealer that is under my eyebrows. Yeah, so you see I raise my eyebrows high enough to try to get that blend as much as possible, because we don't want this to look like a clown, so make sure you blend. Everything here is a body blend. So yeah, guys, as I was saying earlier, this part here is totally optional. You don't need to put that shimmer there if you don't want to. I tried to make it, give it a little dimension. And next, I'm just taking this black eyeshadow and tightline my upper lid, just make it look a little better. So next, I'm going in with makeup wipes, and I'm just cleaning up under the eyes. Now in this video, you all will see that I did not put any eyeshadow on the bottom part of my eyes, but you can, right? And I try to leave this video in real time, in the speed that I am doing this, as much as possible, so y'all can see. Right here, I'm putting some calamine lotion on my skin. If it is you want to get that very matte makeup look and don't want to sweat it off, this is the product that you can use to help with that, right? Calamine lotion also helps with skin irritation or itchy skin and stuff like that, so it has its benefits. The only thing I kind of iffy about with the calamine lotion is when I do go in with my shade of foundation, it makes it look much lighter, because as you can see on the skin, it is white. So yeah, let's keep that in mind. Probably you may want to go one shade darker, probably, but then again, I'm underneath this artificial lights. But that was just the only thing I have about the calamine lotion. It makes me look a little lighter in the face than if it is I was to go straight in with the sun primer and not the calamine lotion. Alright guys, so my steps is basically the same, and as you all know from prior, I like using foundation in all of my steps instead of concealer, but you can option to use concealer as well. It does the same thing. To me, I find that foundation does blends better. That's why I do foundation. So I use my lighter colors as foundation as well as my normal foundation, right guys, my normal shade. So yeah, that's what I do. So remember, it's all about the blend. When it is using a sponge, you are to saturate that sponge and wring all of the water out, and when you do that, you are patting, you're bouncing. So with the bouncing motion of your sponge, it helps to spread that product outward and give it a nice gradient that it has. I love seeing that flow, like one color into another. It looks so good. That is what makes your base look so flawless. Next, I like to set my product with with a brush. My goodness, right? To me, I get that airbrush look when it is I set with a sponge. With why I keep saying sponge when I set with a brush, right? You get to me, in my opinion, I get a more airbrushed look using a brush in my areas. Next, I'm going in with some contour powder, and this time I did not use any concealer to do my contour, so you will see that my contour is very mild. It is not very harsh in this one, because sometimes I use the cream contour and then I go over it with powder contour, so it will be more prominent, but it isn't. I didn't do that here. I just use the powder, so you see my skin looks very just sun-kissed instead of I really put this on my skin. And then I'm going with some with some blush, and then I put some rose water on top of that to help bring down the powdery look of everything. And this is the finished look, guys. Hope you like it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think. What y'all think about it. Would y'all be trying it? And if you do, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see how your looks come out. Send me a DM, whichever Achelana aesthetic. Alright guys, my name is the same all across the board. So if it is y'all try this out, let me know. Let me see. like, come on, let me see. Alright guys, I know my hair looking you know, messy but cute-ish. Yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye.